Hello! We are reviewing the Scenic X bottom bracket, ceramic. This is from AliExpress. T47 85.5 29R. This is for SRAM Dub crankset. This is not sponsored. I'm just reviewing this. SRAM Dub 28.99 and the expected weight is 98.4. So when you open this, you have the manual, you have the bottom bracket, and have the 3mm spacer. It is important that you read the manual. This will contain instructions how to use your crankset for road and for MTB. Knowing your frame, mine is T47 85.5 for 29R or SRAM Dub. Need to have 3mm spacer, which is this one. Very important to read the manual. Checking the bottom bracket. Ceramic bottom bracket. Up to 50 Newton meter. Okay, just slides off. Checking. Okay, it's smooth. You can check. And then checking the weight. For the bottom bracket, it's 93.7. For the 3mm spacer, it's 1.8. Together, it's 95.6 for the spacer and the bottom bracket. That's all.